Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Ace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Fitbit application on our phone. In the application you should see the Today's page. Now tap on the profile icon in the top left corner to open the account menu. And in this on this page rather, you should see the Ace 3 on the list of devices connected to your phone. If you don't see it, it could be because you are not in the kid view. Basically, if you're using the device for kids, you will need to set up the family and you will have the access to parent view and kid view. If you're in the parent view, you want to see the Ace 3 on the list. So let's switch to the parent view quickly. Like this. And here we have it, we're in the parent view. You can tell by this, basically, this window being, you will have more information and access to premium. Basically, that's how it looks like in the parent view. And if you tap on the profile icon to open the account menu, you won't see the Ace 3 on the list of devices connected to your phone. You will need to tap on My Family, find the kid account that is connected to your Ace 3 and tap on Switch to Kid View to switch to the kid view, and there you will be able to access the Ace 3. Now we are in the kid view. Tap on the profile icon, tap on the Ace 3 on the list. Here on this page, tap on the Ben icon in the top right corner, tap on Unpair. We need to wait until the watch, or rather the smartband, is done syncing with our device, with our phone. So let's wait. Sometimes it has problems with syncing, but it did it. So we can tap on the Ben icon, tap on Unpair. And now the device will disappear from the list of devices connected to your phone. And you can also open the Bluetooth settings on your phone to make sure that you won't have the Fitbit Ace right here on the list. As you can see on my phone, it's not here, but if it was on yours, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on the forget, and then tap forget device to completely remove it from your phone and disconnect it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this smartband from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.